In the Media Management Connector for Adobe Creative Cloud, you can check out the latest version of an asset to edit it in your Adobe Creative Cloud product. When you use the connector to check out an asset, Media Management locks it to prevent other users from overwriting the content. When you check in the asset, you must provide a new version. Media Management keeps the previous version of the asset as well as the new modified version. Note that how you check out and in assets might differ depending on the Adobe product that you're using. For this video, we'll use InDesign. To check out an asset, click Check Out on the Asset tile. You can also configure the Auto Checkout setting to automatically check out an asset when you modify it. You can revert the checked out status by clicking Discard Checkout. To edit the checked out asset, drag the asset into the document window. When you're finished editing, select the asset and click Check in Asset on the extension panel header bar to check in a new version. If your InDesign document contains linked assets that are not yet in Media Management, you can import these files separately. Verify the thumbnail and file name of the current version and the local file path of the new version. To import a PDF of the document, select Including PDF Rendition and then choose the PDF preset. The available PDF presets depend on your configuration in your Adobe product. You can also leave a comment. On the Relationships tab, preview any asset relationships, then click Check In. After the asset is checked in, you can view the versions of the asset by double-clicking the Asset tile.